Do you know that why most of the people don't get benefited by affirmation? Do you know what is the reason behind it? It is just because people use affirmation but they don't know how exactly to use the affirmation. And as a result, they don't get benefited by it. But you are a part of personal transformation program. Here I am going to share with you that how exactly you can use your affirmation to get most out of it. So here we are going to do one activity where I am going to give you 3 affirmations to use, which you are going to use it right now. Okay? So the first affirmation is, I am increasing my confidence. I am increasing my confidence. Okay? And the second affirmation is, I am growing every day. Second affirmation is, I am growing every day. And the third affirmation is, I am going to make today's day as the best day of my life. What? I am going to make this day as the best day of my life. So how exactly you are going to do this? So you are going to say this affirmation to yourself continuously for 5 times. Do you get that? Let me show that how exactly you are going to use affirmation. So here, whenever you are going to say affirmation to yourself, you need to involve your whole body. You need to involve your hand. You need to involve your feelings. You need to involve your energy while saying that affirmation to yourself. How you are going to do it? Let me show it to you. Whenever you are going to say affirmation to you, in this way you have to say, okay? And after showing to you, you need to apply this in your life. Okay? So here is your affirmation. I am growing my confidence. I am becoming better and better each and every day. I am growing myself. I am going to make this day as the best day of my life. I am growing my confidence. I am increasing my confidence. I am growing myself, and I am going to make this day as the best day of my life. So here you see, I involved my whole body, right? You need to do exact same. When you are going to use your whole body, you are going to feel that confidence. You are going to feel that energy. See, I was doing it. Now I am feeling that energy within me. Every single time, whenever I shoot or whenever I go on stage, every single time I say this affirmation to myself, because it increases my confidence, it increases my energy, and you need to do exact same. Whatever affirmation you are going to use, you need to use that affirmation by using your whole body. Do you get that? So now what you're going to do is, you need to pause this video and say that affirmation to yourself now. Pause this video and say that affirmation to yourself. Okay, so how you are feeling now? How you are feeling? I'm sure you are feeling powerful, right? So here what you need to do is, you need to pause this video again. You need to go in the comment and write down your experience. When you use this affirmation in your life, how you feel. What kind of energy you feel inside you. You need to pause this video, go in the comment and write down your experience. I want to know your experience. Pause this video, go in the comment. I'm waiting here. I hope you have written your experience, and I'm damn sure whenever you are going to use that affirmation in your life, you are going to feel so powerful. And here, what you need to do is, whatever goal you have in your life, you need to encourage yourself every single day through affirmation. You need to create your own affirmation, and you need to remind that affirmation to yourself every single time, every single day. Do you get that? Here I have come up with wonderful opportunity for you. I am giving you my personal transformation program absolutely free of cost. Let me tell you that what are the things which you are going to learn in that program. You are going to learn about art of public speaking skills. You are going to learn about extraordinary communication skills. You are going to learn about effective presentation skills. And also you are going to develop your world-class personality in this program. Well, I don't want you to miss this program because this program is designed in such a way that you are going to transform your life. So don't miss this program. So if you want to enroll yourself in this program, WhatsApp us on this number 960-490-1971. WhatsApp us on this number and my team is going to give you all the details and my team is going to give you your access. So go for it. WhatsApp us on this number.